Hola amigos! So, to wind up the session today, I wanted to give you some colors. These are just the words we say a lot during a conversation, and it'll help you fill some gaps in your conversation as you start speaking Spanish. So, let's put some colors up. First of all, white is blanco, blanco, and black is negro, negro. Gray is gris, gris. Blue is azul, azul. Yellow is amarillo, amarillo. And orange is the most challenging one so far. It's naranja, naranja, or anaranjado, anaranjado. And then red is rojo, rojo. Pink is rosa, rosa. Green is verde, verde. And brown has a couple of different forms. There's café, café, and marrón, marrón. Purple also has different forms such as violeta, violeta, morado, morado, and púrpura, púrpura. Now that you have a list of colors, if you want to ask someone what color is something, you say, ¿de qué color es? Let's use the example of this person's shirt. ¿De qué color es la camisa? ¿De qué color es la camisa? Camisa is shirt. I can say the shirt is blue. La camisa es azul. La camisa es azul. If you want to ask about the color of shoes, for example, you say, ¿de qué color son? ¿De qué color son? Not es, not de qué color es, because shoes is plural. So, ¿de qué color son los zapatos? ¿De qué color son los zapatos? Zapatos means shoes. So to answer this question, we say los zapatos son negros. Los zapatos son negros. The shoes are black. So notice what I did there. I said negros, not negro. And that's because zapatos is in plural. So the color should be in plural too. So we add an S to the end of the word. In English, the colors are always in singular form, but in Spanish, it's different. Okay, now your turn. Can you say the shirt is green? Remember, camisa is shirt. La camisa es verde. I encourage you to learn those colors and start using them into your conversation. The more you use them, the easier it'll be. Get out there and try to speak something. Thank you for watching. Adios.